the ground shake.
Hey guys, it's CrazyK333 here and welcome to another video. Today, as you can see in the title, I'm microwaving soap. Let's see what happens. Can't wait for this. Right, here's the soap, so let's put it in. Minutes. So I don't think it does anything for a little while. For a bit. And suddenly it goes like dead weird. Also, well, remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't wait you to think I should do other videos. And it doesn't seem to be doing anything so far, does it? Might blow up. Oh, it's starting to go. You see it? Oh, it smells of soap. Bad. It might need to be there for 2 minutes. Oh. Oh. Right, it smells of soap. Should I take it out for a little bit? Should I take it out? Oh, it stinks of soap. Oh, I might make it only go on for a minute instead of 2. Actually, no, keep it like this. Oh, it's spreading now. Oh no. Oh, that looks so cool. Right, should I take it out now? I'll take it out and see. Right, I'll open the door. Oh, it smells of soap. I think the plate will be out. You get it? Watch, it might be out. It might need to be in for a bit longer. But look at that. What's it feel like? It might be hot. Oh, it's such a weird texture. It's like fluffy. Should we put it in for 1 more minute? Let's try it for 1 more minute, and if it starts to go to flames. It said on the website, like it should be all right. It just like it stinks of soap. Oh, 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 that is cool. Oh, it's just expanded. Oh, that is so cool. Just to think that it just comes out of 1 bar of soap. Wow. I think it only has a little bit left, as you can see on the timer there. It's dead weird, that, isn't it? It's like, is that steam? I'm just going to take this out just in case. Oh, it's... I don't know. Oh, that was scary. Right, if you was wondering, that little bang was the plate just cracking right in half. So, this is what the soap looked like at the end. That bit there's hot, but it's like foamy, like it's still not been done. And then the rest of it's been like cooked. If you can see there, like it's dead, like dry and just like crumbles. It's just dead weird. And it's like, it just, yeah. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you later. Bye.